Somewhere beneath the surface of our oceans, in the cold, crushing dark, something is watching. It has 8 arms, 3 hearts, and blue blood running through its veins. It can change the texture of its skin in milliseconds. It can squeeze its entire body through a hole the size of a coin. And it does all of this without a single bone in its body. This is the octopus, order Octopoda, a creature so biologically different from anything on land that scientists have long debated whether it belongs to our world at all. With over 300 species inhabiting every ocean on Earth, from shallow coral reefs to the lightless trenches of the deep sea, the octopus has spent 300 million years perfecting something extraordinary. The art of being impossible to define. To understand the octopus, you must first abandon everything you think you know about intelligence and life itself. It has no skeleton. Its body is almost entirely soft tissue, capable of reshaping itself to fit nearly any space. The only hard structure it possesses is a small, beak-like mouth, sharp enough to crack open a crab shell with ease. It has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to its gills. 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. And that blood, unlike ours, is blue, rich in copper-based hemocyanin, adapted to carry oxygen efficiently in cold, oxygen-thin water. This is not an animal built for comfort. It is built for survival, at any cost. But nothing about the octopus commands more awe than what happens to its skin. In under 2 seconds, it can transform from a pale, ghostly white to a deep, mottled brown. It can raise its skin into sharp spines or smooth it flat as glass. It can ripple patterns across its body like a wave, a living, breathing hallucination. Thousands of pigment cells called chromatophores expand and contract beneath the surface, each one controlled by its nervous system with breathtaking precision. And here is the most extraordinary part. The octopus is colorblind. It cannot see the very colors it creates, yet somehow it produces camouflage so precise, so seamless, that it can vanish against coral, sand, rock, or reef in an instant. How? Science is still searching for the answer. What truly sets the octopus apart, what has left researchers stunned for decades, is what lives inside that soft, boneless head. A brain, proportionally one of the largest among all invertebrates. Octopuses have been observed opening jars, navigating mazes, using tools, carrying coconut shells across the seafloor to use as portable shelters. They have been known to recognize individual human faces, to play, and even to dream. Each of its 8 arms contains its own cluster of neurons, meaning, in a very real sense, each arm can think and act on its own. An octopus does not just have one mind, it has 9. When hunger calls, the octopus becomes something else entirely. It stalks its prey with patience, flattening its body against the seafloor, inching forward with barely a ripple. Then, in a burst of explosive speed, it strikes, arms wrapping around its target in a suffocating embrace. Its beak delivers a precise bite, injecting venom that paralyzes. Digestive enzymes do the rest. Crabs, clams, fish, even small sharks, nothing within reach is entirely safe. The ocean's gentle drifter is also one of its most effective killers. Yet, for all its brilliance, for all its cunning and adaptability, the octopus lives a life heartbreakingly brief. Most species survive no more than 1 to 2 years. The female lays her eggs, sometimes tens of thousands, and then dedicates every remaining moment of her life to guarding them. She stops eating. She stopped hunting. She exists only to protect. By the time the eggs hatch, she is gone. She never meets her young. She never knows if they survive. And yet, she gives everything. The octopus does not fit neatly into our understanding of intelligence, of consciousness, or of what it means to be alive. It evolved separately from us, across an entirely different branch of the tree of life. Yet it learned to solve problems, to feel, to adapt, to create. If in mind this complex could emerge from such a different path, then perhaps the ocean holds wonders we have not yet begun to imagine. The octopus, alien of the deep, ancient, beyond measure, gone too soon, and in its brief, brilliant life, a reminder that intelligence is not the property of any one species. It is the property of life itself.